Don't touch mine.
Hey there, Techmaster0123 here for some more Skywars. Woo! I don't know how long it's been since I played this game, but it feels like a long time. So it's kind of coincident anyway. Oh, I haven't got any. I was gonna aim for one to start with, but I haven't got any. No deliveries, no give a shit. La 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 la. So yeah, I am just jumping right into it. I don't care. Right, so decently stuff. Lots of snowballs. Fuck you, mate, yeah? Open. Ow. Yeah, fuck you. That was a good kill though. Whoa. Ow. Fuck you, bitch! Lol. Oh god, that's a stupid thing. Well then, that was a bit stupid of me. I might change the settings on now. It will be out soon, just that when the update happens, for some reason I'm trying to get it open, it won't open straight away. It'll be back soon though. I'd say at the start of next week. I can't promise that, but it will probably be likely to be that. Fuck you! Bitch. I won't do it. Alright. Got ya. Man, I've only got 8 arrows. I'm wasting them. Stay down. Why did I go like that for? Oh. Ah, fuck. Get down. Fuck you! That fucking archer made it so he could get across. See that dude? He's a fucking retarded piece of shit. Well, I guess you can now go around there and kill that fucking idiot. Now he's got my OP bow, that dude. Who's gonna win? I wanna see. Clearly him. For fuck's sake. That round was so stupid. Why did he have to do that, man? I was gonna kill that fucking leader. The hell am I on about? Who cares? Not me, but the round's over. Forget it, James. Forget it. I'm one of those people that don't forget stuff like that very easily. Organise this messy inventory. Fuck you. Easy. Oh, protection 3. It's quite good actually. No more good stuff, okay. I just need some better leggings. Let's make this safe, these could be my items. Oh, for God's sake, I'm out of stuff. How? Guess I'll just use wood. Man, that was pretty sneaky actually. And since he only had a helmet on, because he didn't really bother to put any armor on at least, he was gonna get 3 shots at least. One idiot. As soon as you enchant something, put it on in case someone attacks you, and you still have a little chance. 4 is left. Shut. Sometimes Balak is weird on. Yeah, sometimes I annoy everyone in school by doing that. At school, I'm the king of the annoying. I'm the most annoying person there. Some people be like, that's nothing to be proud of, but to me, I'm pretty proud of it. I'm crazy. Alright, so I've got that dude, I don't think you know its name. Get out of here! Fuck you! Got it! Well, that's like it. That's kinda... Whoa! Ow! Motherfucker. Shit. No leggings, are you fucking kidding me? That's shit. There wasn't any bows in these. If I'm an idiot to miss them. Because I've only got power 1 bow, I'd like a power 3. Because they do so much fucking damage. No, there's no bow. Bullshit. So there's no bow. And there's no fucking leggings. Whoa! Fuck you, mate, yeah? This is a long round, so a little bit of this might be cut out, yeah? Why am I still checking? I feel like I'm missing something important. Oh, that was a long shot. He doesn't know when to quit. Maybe if... Oh, Andy Pill, thank you. I could really do with an Andy Pill. I'm gonna get a lot of Ender Pills, because each chest now contains one Ender Pill. Diamond leggings! Right. Doom shall be here in a couple of minutes. I'm happy now I've got my diamond leggings, that gives me a bit more of a chance. Let's walk over there. No! Wait, there's water there! Fuck! Right, if you guys have enjoyed this short little episode of Skywars, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later.